This is Michael from O'Connell Landscape, and I'm here out on a project and wanted to share with you how not to build a garden gate. What we have here is a gate that was installed by the builder for this development, and it pretty much shows us everything that's wrong with how to build a good gate. So let's start in and kind of take a closer look at this. The first issue that we see here is that there is no post on this side. This board is just barely attached to the building here, which is also a bad idea. So typically we'd want to have a nice big 4x6 or 6x6 posts for our gate. That really is the start of the stability for the gate, so that you don't have movement of those posts and you've got something nice and sturdy to mount your hinges on. The hinges here are just a couple of strap hinges, and you can see they're poorly installed. And the other issue that we have as we look at this gate is that this is an incomplete frame. So they've done something right, one of the few things right. They installed the gate frame vertically, so that the 4-inch dimension is running up and down here. But the Z-brace there is no board on either side, so that just creates an unstable frame for our gate there. So as we look at the latch mechanism here, this is just a traditional gate latch, but you can see they've installed this hokey little block there to make the gate line up with the posts there. So at the bottom here you can see too there's some issues of ground clearance where there isn't proper ground clearance against the ground. Usually you want to have 2 or 3 inches, enough for clearance, but not so much that you allow pets or small animals to come in and out there. So we'll take a look at the other side of this gate and see the rest of the problems here. So looking at the front of the gate, being a builder installed gate, these are all built for speed and efficiency, not for quality. So you can see the staples here that were installed in this gate. So they just come in, bang, 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 slap together, something slapdash. But what ends up happening is that, 5 years down the line, the gate's sagging, the gate's dragging, it's falling apart. So you're stuck with a host of issues. You really can't, it's just like a front door. You really can't shortcut building a nice gate if you want something that's going to last.